Very interested in knowing how many hours of sleep you got last night.
I don't know, about 5 or 6, I think. 5?
Hi everyone! In today's video, we are going to be discussing 25 millionaire success habits that you can incorporate into your daily routine to help you achieve your financial and personal goals. These habits have been proven to be effective by successful individuals and can help you stay focused, motivated, and on track towards achieving your dreams. We will also be sharing some practical tips and strategies on how you can start implementing these habits into your life. So if you're ready to learn more about how to become a millionaire, make sure to keep watching. Number 1. Set clear goals and prioritize tasks. Millionaires understand the importance of setting clear goals and priorities, as this helps them stay focused and motivated. They also know that it is essential to break down larger goals into smaller, more manageable tasks to make progress and stay on track. Number 2. Take calculated risks. Millionaires are not afraid to take risks, but they are also smart about it. They do their research and carefully consider the potential rewards and drawbacks before making a decision. Number 3. Invest in themselves. Millionaires understand that personal development is crucial for success. They are constantly learning and improving their skills, whether through reading, taking courses, or seeking out mentors. Number 4. Network and build relationships. Millionaires know that who they know could be just as important as what they know. They invest time and energy into building strong relationships with industry leaders and other successful individuals. Number 5. Practice good time management. Millionaires know that time is a valuable resource, and they use it wisely. They prioritize their tasks, eliminate distractions, and stay organized to make the most of their time. Number 6. Stay focused and persistent. Millionaires are highly driven and focused on their goals. They don't let setbacks or obstacles deter them, but rather view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Number 7. Practice self-discipline. Millionaires have strong self-discipline and are able to resist temptations and distractions. They have the ability to stay on track and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Number 8. Seek out new opportunities. Millionaires are always on the lookout for new opportunities to grow and expand their businesses or careers. They are open to trying new things and are not afraid to take calculated risks in pursuit of their goals. Number 9. Practice good financial management. Millionaires are mindful of their financial decisions and understand the importance of saving, investing, and budgeting. They also seek out financial advisors and create a solid financial plan to ensure long-term success. Number 10. Maintain a positive attitude. Millionaires have a can-do attitude and believe in their ability to achieve their goals. They remain positive, even in the face of challenges and setbacks, and use their optimism to fuel their drive and determination. Number 11. Stay healthy and fit. Millionaires understand that their physical health is just as important as their financial health. They make an effort to exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, and take care of their overall well-being. Number 12. Practice gratitude. Millionaires are grateful for their success and the opportunities they have been given. They regularly express their gratitude and make an effort to give back to others. Number 13. Seek out mentors. Millionaires recognize the value of seeking guidance and advice from others who have achieved success. They seek out mentors and advisors who can provide valuable insights and support. Number 14. Be adaptable. Millionaires are flexible and able to adapt to changing circumstances. They are able to pivot and make necessary changes to their strategies to stay ahead of the game. Number 15. Continuously learn and improve. Millionaires never stop learning and seeking out new ways to improve and grow. They are constantly looking for ways to stay ahead of the curve and stay relevant in their industry. Number 16. Practice good communication skills. Millionaires know the importance of clear and effective communication, both in their personal and professional lives. They are able to clearly articulate their thoughts and ideas, and are skilled at listening and understanding the perspectives of others. Number 17. Set boundaries and maintain work-life balance. Millionaires understand the importance of setting boundaries and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. They are able to prioritize their time and energy and know when to take breaks and relax. Number 18. Take care of their mental health. Millionaires prioritize their mental health and understand the importance of taking care of their emotional well-being. They may practice mindfulness, seek therapy or counseling, or find other ways to manage stress and maintain a positive mindset. Number 19. Foster creativity. Millionaires are often known for their innovative and creative thinking. They encourage creativity and embrace new ideas, even if they may seem unconventional at first. Number 20. Practice generosity and philanthropy. Millionaires often use their wealth and success to give back to others and make a positive impact in the world. They may donate their time, money, or resources to causes that they are passionate about, and often encourage others to do the same. Number 21. Manage their finances wisely. Millionaires are savvy when it comes to managing their finances. They create and stick to a budget, invest in assets that will generate long-term wealth, and avoid debt whenever possible. Number 22. Build and maintain a strong personal brand. Millionaires understand the power of a strong personal brand and work to establish themselves as thought leaders and experts in their field. They invest time and energy into building and maintaining their online presence and reputation. Number 23. Stay organized and efficient. Millionaires are highly organized and efficient and use tools and systems to streamline their tasks and stay on track. They are able to prioritize their responsibilities and delegate tasks when necessary to make the most of their time. Number 24. Practice continuous learning. Millionaires never stop learning and seek out new ways to improve and grow. They are constantly looking for ways to stay ahead of the curve and stay relevant in their industry, and may invest in continuing education or seek out mentors to help them reach their goals. Number 25. Cultivate strong relationships. Millionaires understand the value of strong relationships and work to build and maintain them. They may invest time and energy into networking and building connections and prioritize maintaining strong relationships with friends, family, and colleagues. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video on millionaire success habits helpful and that you were able to take away some valuable insights and strategies for achieving your financial and personal goals. Remember, success takes time and dedication, but by incorporating these habits into your daily routine and staying focused and persistent, you can set yourself up for long-term success. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.